are confused on the types of food that you need to eat to ensure nerve repair, but at the same time, make sure that you won't have any blood sugar spike, this video is for you. Stay with me until the end of this video because the last food, it will help lower your blood sugar, it will help get rid of neuropathy symptoms, and it will help get rid of joint pain if you have these symptoms altogether, which are also common for those who have been diagnosed with diabetes. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you practical health tips and home exercise programs that you can surely benefit from. In this channel, we do a holistic approach for as far as nerve repair and nerve regeneration is concerned. You might be wondering why. Well, that is because I have also experienced firsthand that patients of mine who have long been on neuropathic meds, it can also give them side effects. In this channel, we have the right foods that will help ensure nerve repair, and we do the correct and the specific exercises that will decompress impinged nerves. Some of the foods that could be mentioned here may not be applicable for you if you're currently on dialysis or if you have been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. Please consult with your nephrologist for you to get a personalized evaluation and to ensure your safety. Without no further ado, these are the foods that will ensure nerve repair without causing blood sugar spikes. Eggs. These are a natural source of choline. This is important for the structure and the proper function of your nerves. It is also needed for the production of neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is needed and important not only for your memory, your muscle, but as well as that for nerve health. Eggs is also a natural dietary source of vitamin D. This is actually important because many studies have validated that patients who have vitamin D supplementation, it can help prevent worsening of diabetic neuropathy, which is very common. Now, if you're wondering what's the difference between white and brown eggs, you will more or less have the same nutritional benefits. But vitamin D and antioxidant level is slightly elevated and higher with brown eggs. But if you want peace of mind and you want to make sure that you have the correct food choice, eggs will do the trick in helping nerve repair but won't cause a spike in your blood sugar. Liver. Do you know that liver is a natural powerhouse of vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 is very important. In fact, many studies have also found that for nerve repair to take place, there should be sufficient amount of vitamin B12. And mind you, deficiency or lack of vitamin B12 levels in the body, it can cause neuropathy symptoms like numbness and pins and needle sensation. Vitamin B12 is important for the covering of your nerves known as the myelin sheath so that there would be proper nerve transmission of electrical signals. Liver is also a natural dietary source of coenzyme Q10. This is a supplement usually given for those diagnosed with diabetic neuropathy. The purpose for this is to speed up and to help with nerve repair. How much liver should you have? 3 to 4 ounces of liver eaten once or twice a week, it is already enough to give you the vitamin B12 boost that you need for nerve repair. Berries. Strawberry and blueberries, they are boosting with powerful antioxidant known as anthocyanin. The purpose of this is also to prevent worsening neuropathy symptoms, which can really be stubborn and troublesome. Berries are also rich with vitamin C and E to speed up nerve recovery in the injured site. Chia seeds. This is boosting with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and magnesium. If you have borderline diabetes and want to take off some excess body weight, chia seeds can help you due to its fiber content. Chia seeds can help prevent diabetes as well as prevent stubborn diabetic complications like neuropathy. You can add chia seeds together with your Greek yogurt. Do away with buying flavored yogurts because it already has lots of sugar in it. You can also mix chia seeds together with your rolled oats. Let it sit for several minutes. It will absorb the liquid and will give you a gel-like texture or consistency. Turmeric. Be sure to incorporate this in your main dish, or if you can buy it fresh, you can boil it without adding any sugar in it. Curcumin is a potent compound and it can give you natural pain-relieving effects. Just use turmeric with caution if you're currently under medications like aspirin because it can have possible drug interactions. Avocados. This is rich with healthy fats and vitamin B6, one of the components of your vitamin B complex, which is often prescribed for patients who experience numbness and pins and needle sensation due to neuropathy, whatever the cause. The role of B6 is also for the myelin sheath to ensure nerve repair and nerve regeneration. Avocados are also boosting with magnesium. This is good because it can help relax both your central and your peripheral nervous system, including it can calm irritated nerves caused by nerve damage. Before we continue, if you agree with me that the foods that you take in are equally as important to ensure nerve repair, at this point, I would like to ask a tiny favor from you to please click the like button below. This will really help our channel grow. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below because do you know, we have lots of helpful videos that can really help and guide you. Broccoli. It contains a unique compound known as sulforaphane. What it does is it actually augments the effects of elevated blood sugar in your nerves because sadly, one of the complications of diabetes is damaged nerves. That's the reason why even patients who have high blood sugar level, it can actually damage their optic nerve, giving them blurry vision and even loss of vision in one of their eyes known as diabetic retinopathy. Broccoli is also rich with alpha-lipoic acid. A certain study done and published in Diabetes Care actually validated that alpha-lipoic acid supplementation can really help with symptoms caused by diabetic neuropathy. Omega-3 fatty acid-rich foods. These will help ensure proper transmission of electrical nerve signals from different parts of your body to the brain and vice versa, eradicating or lowering stubborn symptoms caused by nerve damage such as numbness and pins and needle sensation. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids would include, of course, your fatty fish like your salmon and your mackerel, tuna, as well as you can also have it from walnuts and flax seeds. Lastly, moringa. Do you know that regular consumption of moringa can actually lessen or lower inflammatory proteins in the body, such as C-reactive protein? This is very important because inflammation had been linked to many chronic conditions, including neuropathic pain and joint pain. Regular consumption of moringa can prevent diabetes, and consumption of moringa leaves for as much as 40 days can help lessen or lower blood sugar level by as much as 13.5%. also helping with neuropathy symptoms and even joint pain altogether. These are the foods that will ensure nerve repair without causing blood sugar spike. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment which of these foods would you increase this week. Also, if you have reached the end of this video, please comment any questions or any tips that you can give. These can help others in this community as well. If you want to know if the cause of the numbness in your lower leg and in your foot is due to sciatica or impinged nerve in your spine, in the absence of X-ray or MRI, we have a video here. Check on it. It will greatly help and guide you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Sherry. I wish you well. I will see you on our next video.